Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use data validation in Microsoft Excel to control the type of data entered into your HR sheets. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet where you want to apply data validation. Select the cell or range of cells where you want to restrict data entry, for example, a column for department names. Then, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. A dialog box will appear. Under the Settings tab, you'll see several options for controlling data entry. From the Allow dropdown, you can choose the type of data you want to permit. For example, select List to create a drop-down menu of predefined values. In the Source field, type the list of departments separated by commas, for example, HR, Finance, Marketing, IT Sales. Click OK, and now users will only be able to select from these department names. This ensures that everyone uses consistent department labels across your HR records. You can also use data validation to restrict numbers or dates. For example, if you want to allow attendance percentages only between 0 and 100, select the range and choose whole number or decimal from the Allow dropdown. Then, set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value to 100. Click OK, and Excel will display an error message if someone enters an invalid number. This is useful for maintaining accuracy in attendance or performance data. You can further customize error messages by going to the Error Alert tab. Here, you can enter a title and message such as Invalid Entry. Please select from the list. Excel will show this message whenever an incorrect value is entered. This feature helps maintain data consistency and reduces errors during data entry. You can also copy data validation rules to other cells by using the Format Painter tool on the Home tab. Just select the cell that has data validation, click Format Painter, and apply to another range. Excel will duplicate the same validation settings, saving you time when working with large employee datasets. That's it! You now know how to use data validation in Microsoft Excel to create drop-down lists, restrict entries, and ensure accurate data across your HR sheets. In Unova HRMS, similar field controls and drop-down validations are already built into modules like Employee and Leave Management to ensure accurate and consistent data entry. Thank you for watching.